Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, mister?
I am fine, sir. What's about you, sir?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine. What is your name?
This is Jahidul Islam.
What is your current job? Tell me about everything.
Thank you, sir. I have worked in F&B manager, Dhaka Sheraton Hotel, also the Peninsula Chittagong, which is the 5-star hotel in Bangladesh. This is the first time I come in Saudi Arabia, and I want to establish myself to F&B service. If you give me the chance, I can provide myself to F&B service. Like, sir, I have worked out how to satisfy the customers with a high demand and also prompt service. Also, I have worked in buffet management. I can work F&B department with coordinate with kitchen staffs and in front of my staffs like a waiter, captains. I can work with them and I can make a schedule with staff schedule. Also, I can establish the menu, how to increase our business policy and how to increase our market policy and how to increase our sales like food and beverage and how to satisfy to customers to our best service.
You have any experience certificate?
Yes, I have an experience certificate. I have worked in Dhaka Sheraton Hotel and also the Peninsula Chittagong.
You have any degree?
Yes, I have a
bachelor degree, diploma?
I have a diploma degree from National Hotel Tourism and Training Institute. Also, I have bachelor degree from EYS University.
That's a great employee. Inshallah, I welcome to my company.
I like you, sir. Please, sir, give me the chance, and I will provide myself to serve in your company.
Okay, inshallah, I will serve you, inshallah.